Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about, is Chris Hogan still a member of Ramsey Solutions? Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribed. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. Today I want to talk about Ramsey Solutions and Chris Hogan. As we all know, Dave Ramsey is the founder of Ramsey Solutions. He has helped millions of Americans get out of debt and build wealth using his 7 baby steps method. I personally followed his 7 baby step method, which I believe is a very good method to use if you are trying to get out of debt. Chris Hogan, who also works for Ramsey Solutions, has been teaching Americans how to invest and build wealth through a very sound principle as a member of Ramsey Solutions, which also has helped millions of Americans with their personal finance. However, I have heard a lot of news through social media that Chris Hogan is no longer part of Ramsey Solutions, which when I heard was shocking to me because he has been working hard at Ramsey Solutions in helping everyone to improve their finances and setting up yourself for a fruitful retirement life. If this is true, it will be a big loss because through Ramsey Solutions, he has helped change millions of Americans' lives in a positive way when it comes to the way they look at their personal finance. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.